Cohda Wireless is an Adelaide-based company. We're focused on four market sectors, all to do with connected vehicles. So that goes from smart cities through mining, connected autonomous vehicles, and even these vehicle-to-everything communications, which is the future of road safety. One of the core markets we're focused in on is that of mining, where we do collision avoidance for both vehicles and personnel on foot in mines to improve safety. This program we're involved with BAE Systems is the track and trace program for the Frigate program. And so we're translating our mining product from the underground mines into a shipyard to allow us to be able to track both assets and personnel through the shipyard. So I think this challenge really provides for us new markets for some of our existing products. So taking our mining product and applying it into more general industrial environments. So tracking and tracing people and assets in a mining environment is tough, but other industrial environments are just as tough, such as a complex environment in a shipyard. It could even be translated into building sites and warehouses, things like that. Anywhere where GPS is a challenge, we can really provide accurate positioning. So I think one of the real opportunities for our technologies is because Cohda does more than just 3D positioning. We actually use that 3D positioning information to improve worker safety, as we're doing with mines, with collision avoidance and avoiding vehicles backing over personnel. We really see the opportunity here to take that track and trace technology and extend it further to really improve worker safety on the ground in a shipyard. And so this is our standard mining product, which we're going to be installing here at Line 0, and that can communicate to tags that are being installed on assets or even carried by personnel, so we can track those devices in real time with a high degree of accuracy. The range of this is well suited to these applications because we have deployments in mines where we're detecting vehicles and tracking them at 200 or 300 metres range. We also have deployments going onto motorways and in the urban canyons of cities where we're doing even greater ranges than that. Yeah, I think that the real advantage of Line 0 is that we can really take these new technologies and really prove them out and understand them and improve them before they have to move into the tougher environment of the real shipyard.